K2 fanatics. Ken there, who's Director of Business Development, here for you once again. We're tacking on another video to our weekly video cast about what's going on in the drone industry. So it looks like HR 302, if you saw our last video, just passed the Senate floor. It's on the President's desk. Looks like it's going to be signed. We are going to be going along with this process, seeing how it develops, seeing how it affects people in the drone industry here in the United States. Also, in other news, there has been some other companies added to the IPP program as far as flight administrations go. I would just Google it and you'll be able to find out all that information, or you can visit our website and we should be able to have that information up for you soon. And lastly, one of the great things that happened here is we had Luminell come in, a great light company that is looking to put their lights onto drones, their floodlights and spotlights that they already use on oil rigs out in Norway. And they came by, stopped by our offices, and we clamped one of those bad boys onto a Nighthawk, and boy did it look great. So sit tight. Here's our interview with Vegard from Luminell. Hi all you K2 fanatics. We're here once again with K2 TV, and we're here with Vegard from Luminell, and they provide spotlights and floodlights for drones. Vegard, thanks for coming. I really appreciate it. Tell us a little bit about your product here.
Okay, so we're basically from the offshore and oil and gas industry in Norway. So we've been manufacturing LED lights for 7 years. And now we took our technology to make high power LED lights for drones. So to make it lightweight, it's just an aluminum PCB and coated electronics to make it waterproof, and an aluminum frame to absorb the heat and protect the optics. It's also fully integratable with PWM, so you can remote control and dim the lights from the ground to the air, and also do presets for a whole kit.
Yeah, and so that way you make it's fairly, wow, that's really lightweight. I thought it was going to be heavier than that.
Yeah.
Wow, it's really lightweight, and that way it can go onto the drone, and as you can see, it just clamped right onto our drone fairly easily. Very simple integration that you can have here. They've thought of everything, end users, and they even have smaller ones like these spotlights here that can wrap around like the drone leg. He's got one going right there. Yeah. Even pulsates. Wow, great
all
stuff.
Lights are PWM controllable and fully dimmable. And they also have a master and slave concept. We have a wireless sender and transmitter on the DLC. And all the DLA lights are 1800 lumen and receivers.
So you can control it from your controller, the brightness.
You can pre-program a complete sequence or a set of lights, and they will all act as programmed wirelessly from each other.
Wow, and like you said, these things are up in Norway with very extreme weather. They come from putting it on offshore rigs up there at very unforgiving seas and things like that. So there's much experience. Where can people find these at?
And this time you can find us online at luminell.com and contact us there directly. And we are also continuously working to find American resellers.
And what is the main purpose of having these lights on drones?
We would say search and rescues, inspection light, even in daytime.
So basically everything you're going to use a light for.
Yeah,
anyways.
you can see that here. You can go online as well and find pictures. It's a live theater performances, as lighting effects, photo and video.
Yeah,
everything.
So you can change. You can have different colors, right?
Yes.
If you want.
Yeah, we are hands-on development and assembly. So if you need any custom optics, custom light, custom CRI values, we can always assemble to find the correct solution for you.
Oh, so you can even do custom things for customers.
Yes, yeah. If you need a red or blue or whatever, if you need high CRI values, we can do that for you as well.
Perfect. I mean, that's what we're about too, right? Modularization, customization, meeting the customer's needs. Well, Vegard, thank you very much. You have a great product here. We look forward to using it some more here in the near future. And all of you, be sure to check out Luminell.com. Always be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And always, thank you. Keep flying. flying and fly safe.